So we're going to take a look at ski camber and what ski camber is. I'm with Simon from Rossignol. Hi Simon, how are you?
I'm very good, thank you.
Good. So camber,
Yep.
tell us a little bit about it. What does it do? What does it mean?
Well, camber, is particularly in modern skis, is often kind of used in combination with different types of rocker.
Okay.
I mean, you're looking at basically the kind of the shape that the ski displays when you look at it from the side.
Yep.
So looking at this piste ski, you can see there's a lot of camber in there.
Right.
And I think what that gives you, particularly when you're skiing a lot on hard snow, is gives you a really positive kind of edge control, or
Okay.
power through the edge.
Yep.
And that's what it's designed to do. It's not designed to go off into soft snow and that kind of thing. So, you know, that works.
So
really
you can
well
see
for
that camber. So basically, there's a big gap in the middle of the ski,
Exactly.
and it touches the points of the tail and the tip.
Yeah.
Right. And what happens when you then ski on that ski? What happens to the camber?
So ideally, when you stand on the ski, it should then go kind of nice and flat. In an ideal world.
Right.
If you ski a ski shorter, obviously you're going to be going into reverse camber, and that's when you're skiing on a shorter section of the ski effectively, and that's when you get the kind of tip wobble and find it difficult to control the ski.
So if you didn't have the camber of the ski, it would feel different when you turn it.
Yeah, and that's kind of what you feel when you go onto a wider ski.
Yep.
So there's often less camber on a wider ski,
Right.
just because it makes it easier to kind of pivot it, maybe when you're on the piste perhaps, makes it kind of more versatile.
So the camber on a piste ski kind of helps you to carve the turn.
Yeah, just gives you that real drive through the edge of the ski.
Okay, great. All right, well check out the camber next time you're looking at skis then.